Good morning students. In a previous class we have learned about the linear equation in one variable. What is the definition of linear equation in one variable? The variable having only one power, that is the highest variable of the power is 1 is called the linear equation in one variable. And also we have learned the word problem in the previous video. Is it? I hope you all understood the concept of how can write the algebraic expression in a statement. Is it? Everyone understood that concept? Today we are going to do the exercise problems. Okay, in a previous class fully we have completed the examples, so now we have do the exercise 6.2. So first two is very easiest one. Okay, we will do the homework. Now move to the third one. Divide 400 into all the problems. The same related problems already completed in the examples. Okay, but some difficult you can't understand the words. So I will explain that. அதனால தான் என்ன பண்றோமா explain பண்றேன். Okay, otherwise the same method, the numbers only vary. Okay, right. See the third problem. Divide 400 into two parts such that 1/3 of the first part is 40 less than the other part. Find the two parts. So what is given? So 400 into ஒரு part இருக்கு, அது வந்து 400 இருக்குமா, it into divide into two parts. இந்த 400 2 divide பண்றாங்க ரெண்டா. ஓகேவா, such that அப்படி பண்ணாங்கன்னா 1/3 of the first part is 1/3 of the first part is அது எப்படி இருக்குன்னா equal to 40 less than the other part. ஸோ செகண்ட் பார்ட்டுக்கு எவ்வளோ லெஸ் தானே இருக்குது 40 அப்படிங்கிற ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. கண்டிஷன் ஃபைண்ட் தி டூ பார்ட் அப்படின்னா அந்த ரெண்டு பார்ட் என்னென்ன அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின். ஓகே, சி first two homework, third problem solution. Let first part, okay, first part be x எடுத்துக்குவோம். okay, second part என்ன எடுத்துக்கலாமா, be y. Okay, so the condition is given, is it? What is that condition? The 1/3, is it? 1/3 of, yes, 1/3 is equal to the second one, less than 40 less than the second one. So 40, okay, less than from the second one. Okay, from the second one, that is given statement. So from this equation we have find out the y value, is it? So y is equal to 1/3 plus 40. Okay, the equation 1 எடுத்துக்கிட்டாலும் okay தான், right? Now according to the condition statement or question, what is given? Two parts. Which are the parts? X plus y is equal to 400. So what is the x value? X. Y value was 1/3 plus 40. Part of the first part. Is it 1/3 of the first part? We have considered the first part be x. Okay, you should put the x in this place, ma. Okay, so 1/3 of the first part be x. Okay, is equal to y minus 40. So 1/3 x plus 40. Right. Now substitute the values. Is equal to 400. Take the LCM. LCM is 3. So 3x plus x plus 120 by 3 equal to 400. Now cross multiply. Here simplify the like terms. So what we get? 4x plus 120 equal to 400. Directly multiply. Okay, 3 4s are 12. Add 2. So 4x is equal to, move to that side, subtraction by using the transpose method. So what we get? 0. Here 2. Is it? 10 minus 2, 8. Here 1. 1, 1, 0. Here 1. So 4x equal to 1080. X equal to, how many times is possible? 4 ones are 4. 4 2s are 8. Remaining 2, 28. So how many times? 7 times are 4, 28. Add the 0. So 270. So x value is, the first part is 270. We have find out the second part. Second part we have consider y is equal to, is it? Y is equal to 1 by 3 from 1. Okay. Y is equal to 1 by 3. X value is 270 plus 40. So it cancels. So 90. So 90 plus 40, what we get? 130. So y value is 130. Thus, the first part is 270 and second part is 130. Okay, we have added these two values, we get the total value 400. Okay, right. Now see the fourth one. The 10 digits of 2 digit number is twice of its unit digit. One reversing is very important and very easiest problem also. Okay, bank examination this type of question only asking. The 10 digit of 2 digit number, the 10 digit of 2 digit number is twice of its units digit. That is a condition. Twice of its, அதாவது 10th digit, 10th place value வந்து எப்படி இருக்குன்னா, இப்போ நம்ம y ன்னு எடுத்துருக்கோம்னா அது வந்து twice a times of the ones digit. அதுதான் மீனிங். ஓகேவா? On reversing the digit, the number formed is 27 less than the original number. So original number உடைய 27 எப்படி இருக்குமா? கம்மியாக இருக்கு. Less than. Okay. So 27 minus the original number. Find that original number. So generally you know that fourth one, let the original number be. Okay, let the digit first we have decide. Okay, digit in unit and tenths place be x and y. So x represent y, y represent the tens digit. Okay, therefore the original number is equal to, so tens place is 10y, ones place is x, and revise number. Okay, reversed number is equal to, so x என்ன ஆயிடுமா, y plus வந்துடும், y அங்கே போய்டும். அப்போ 10x plus y. Okay, right. So what is the condition? The first one, the 10 digit. So 10 digit we have considered y is equal to, okay, 2 digit number is twice its unit digit. இது எப்படி இருக்குமா, twice times இருக்குமா, அப்போ 2x. இந்த கண்டிஷனாக 1ன்னு எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Now according to the problem, question, okay, a statement anyone, what is given? On reversing the digit, the number formed is 27. So what is the reversed digit here? 10x plus y. Okay, is 27 less than the original number. So what is the original number here? 10y. Reverse number, what is the reverse number here? 10x plus y is equal to the reversing number. The reverse number is equal to original number 10y plus x. minus less than 27. So arrange the like terms. 10x minus x equal to 10y minus y minus 27. So 9x 9y minus 27. So divided by 9, x is equal to y minus 3. Okay. So what is the y value from 1? X equal to 2x minus 3. So x minus 2x equal to minus 3. So minus x equal to minus 3. Minus minus plus. So x value was plus 3. Okay. X value was 3. So x we have considered the unit digit. So unit digit is 3. Have find out the y. Y is equal to 2x. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Thus, the original number is x value. What is that original number? 10y plus x. So 10 into y value was 6 plus x value was 3. 60 plus 3, 63. 63. Thus, the original number is 63. Fifth one. Salini mother is thrice the age of Salin. Okay, Salin's mother is thrice the age of first given condition. Okay, Salin's mother is thrice the age of Salin's. So 3 மடங்கு அதிகமா இருக்காங்க. யாரை விட? Salin's உடைய mother வந்து சாலினை விட. ஓகேவா? After 5 years, the ratio of their age will be 5 ratio is given. 5:2. Find their present age. So I have do another one of the method. Okay, எந்த மெத்தட்னாலும் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேவாம்மா? எக்ஸாம்பிளில் வேறு மெத்தடில் சொல்லியிருப்பேன். உங்களுக்கு எந்த மெத்தட் ஈஸியாக ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு மாதிரி இருக்கும். எது டிஃபிகல்ட்டாக இருக்கோ அதை வந்து நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணிக்கோங்க. எக்ஸாம்பிளில் இது வேறு மெத்தடில் நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணியிருப்பேன். இப்போது ப்ரீவியஸ் ப்ராப்ளம் இப்போ பண்ணது வேறு மெத்தட். ஓகேவா? எப்படினாலும் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இது வந்து ஒன்றும் இல்லை, நீ ஒவ்வொரு தடவையும் எழுத வேண்டாம். ஓகேவா? ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு டேபிள் மாதிரி போட்டுக்கோங்க. இதில் ப்ரெசன்ட் ஏஜ் என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்க வேணுமோ அதை இதில் எழுதிக்கோங்க. சரியா? அதுக்கப்புறம் எத்தனை வருஷம் கழிச்சு அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. எல்லா இதுலேயுமே இருக்கும். ஆஃப்டர் 5 years ஆர் அகோ, லாங் அகோ, 4 years அகோ, அந்த மாதிரி கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. ஸோ தட் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் ரைட் இட் ஹியர். ஓகே, ஹியர் விச் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் இஸ் given ஆஃப்டர் 5 years. For easily understood this. Okay, after 5 years. மிஸ் என்ன மாற்றி எழுதுகிறேன் அப்படின்னு நினைக்காதீங்க. சரியாம்மா? இந்த மெத்தட் ஃபாலோ பண்ணாலும் பண்ணிக்கலாம், எப்படினாலும் ஆன்சர் ஒன்றா தான் வரும். சரியா? ஏன்னா சில பேருக்கு அந்த மெத்தட் புரியும், சில பேருக்கு புரியாமல் இருக்கலாம். ஸோ அதனால் இந்த மெத்தடும் நான் சொல்லித்தரேன். உனக்கு எது ஈஸியாக இருக்கோ நீ எந்த மெத்தட்னாலும் எக்ஸாம்லாம் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, ரைட். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் தட்? ப்ரெசன்ட் ஏஜ்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஓகே, ப்ரெசன்ட் ஏஜ் யூ ஹாவ் கன்சிடர். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் சாலின். சாலின்ஸ் ஏஜை வந்து சாலினுடைய ப்ரெசன்ட் ஏஜ் என்னென்னு எடுத்துக்குவோம்? எக்ஸ்ன்னு எடுத்துக்குவோம். அடுத்தது சாலின்ஸ் மதர். சாலின்ஸ் மதர் எப்படி இருக்காங்க? 3 times ஆஃப் ஏஜ் சாலின்ஸ். ஸோ 3 மடங்கு 3x. ஓகே, ஆஃப்டர் 5 yearsனால் இவங்களுக்கு 2 வயசுன்னா 5 வருஷம் கழிச்சு அவங்களுக்கும் என்ன செய்யும்? ஏஜ் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும். அப்போ என்ன செய்யணும்? ஆட் பண்ணணும். ரெண்டுலேயுமே ஆட் பண்ணணும். x plus 5 years is given after 5 years. So we have add. In case 5 years ago is given, we have subtract. Okay, plus here 3x. Salin's mother's age is 3x. Thrice the times of the Salin's age. So 3x plus 5. Okay, right. Now the ratio of their age will be 5:2. The ratio is given. Find the present age. Simple. according to the question or condition. After 5 years, after 5 years means so ratio is given. அப்போ இவங்களால divide பண்ணிட வேண்டியதான். ஓகேவா? Easiest one. Because the ratio is given 3x plus 5 Salin's mother divided by the Salin's age is equal to which ratio? 5:2. Ratio can be written in the fraction. Is it? So 5/2. Now cross multiply. What we get? 2 into 3x plus 5 is equal to 5 into x plus 5. So multiply each term. 6x plus 10 is equal to 5x plus 25. Okay, arrange the like terms. So 6x minus 5x x. Okay, if you need you will write one more step. Okay, I will directly write 6x minus 5x 5x and then 25 minus 10. Okay, is 15. So x equal to 15. Right, and next we have to find out this is x means Salin's age is 15, thrice the times of the Salin's mothers. Okay, so 3x is equal to 3 multiple of 15. What we get? 45. Okay, thus Salin's age is 15 and Salin's mother age is 45. Okay, I hope you have understood this concept. Now sixth problem, the same method. Okay, Khushi is 22 years younger than her mother. Okay, after 5 years the sum of their age will be 58. அவங்களே கொடுத்தாங்க sum of the condition. Okay, sum of their age will be 58. Find their percentage. We'll put the same method. Okay, present age. Okay, after here also given 5 years. After 5 years. Okay, so who's Khushi? The name is Khushi's age is 22 younger than her mother. Younger. Okay, so we have considered the Khushi's age is x minus 22 because younger சின்ன பிள்ளை ரொம்ப சின்ன பிள்ளை. அப்போ என்னென்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம்? Khushi's mother we have considered to x. Okay, Khushi's mother x and then next Khushi's present age be x minus 22. Right? Why do you subtract here? Youngster, young. So அப்போ சின்ன பிள்ளை, அப்போ சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணணும். யாரோடைய ஏஜ்? குஷிஸோடைய மதருடைய ஏஜ்லேருந்து. ஓகே, ரைட். ஆஃப்டர் 5 years, ஸோ add 5. So x minus 22 plus 5, what we get? X minus 17. ஓகே, 5 வருஷம் கழிச்சு என்ன ஆகும்? ஆட் ஆகும், அப்படி தானே? So plus 5 already minus 22, so minus 17. After 5 years the sum of their age will be, so sum of ரெண்டு பேருடைய age, so according to the condition sum of the, so x plus 5 ரெண்டு பேருடைய age, sum means we have add. Okay, plus x minus 17 is equal to will be 58. Sum of their age will be 58. Find their present age. So add these values. X plus x 2x 5 minus 17 minus 12 is equal to 58. So 2x equal to 58 plus 12 minus move to that side. Okay, so plus 12, add these values 70. So 2x equal to 70, x equal to 35. So whose age is 35? Khushi's mother age is 35. You have to find out the Khushi's age. So x minus 22 is equal to 35 minus 22. What we get? 3, 13. Is it? So Khushi's age is 13. Thus, Khushi's mother age is 35 years. Okay, 35 years. Khushi's age is 13 years. 13 years. That's it. Okay. Now 7th and 8th the same model already did in the example. Okay, that is homework. Now move to the 9th one. The distance between the Delhi and Lucknow is 720 kilometer. Two trains start from two stations simultaneously. So Delhi இருந்து கிளம்புறதும் லக்னோல இருந்து கிளம்புறதும் same timeல தான் கிளம்புது. ஓகேவா? Towards each other. The speed of the train starting from Delhi is 15 km per hour. Less than the speed of the train starting from the Lucknow. லக்னோல இருந்து வர்றதை விட எவ்வளவு கிலோமீட்டர்? 15 கிலோமீட்டர் வந்து இது என்னதுமா? less than தான் இருக்குது டெல்லி இது. After 8 hours கழிச்சு the train are 100 km apart from each other. ரெண்டுக்குள்ள டிஸ்டன்ஸ் எவ்வளோ டிஸ்டன்ஸில் இருக்குது? 100 km டிஸ்டன்ஸில் இருக்குது. வாட் இஸ் த ஸ்பீட் ஆஃப் த ட்ரெயின் தட் ஸ்டார்டட் ஃப்ரம் லக்னோ? அப்படின்னா லக்னோலேருந்து எவ்வளோ ஸ்பீடில் கிளம்பியிருப்பாங்க அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின். ஓகேவா? சொல்யூஷன். Okay, let the speed of the train start from Delhi. Okay, be x ன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். Let the speed of train that start up from Delhi is x kilometer per hour. X kilometer per hour. And next one, speed of train that started from started from Lucknow is x plus 15 kilometer per hour, because 15 kilometer the between of the speed of the train that started from Delhi in 15 kilometer per hour less than the speed of the train of started from Lucknow. Okay, less than the started from the Lucknow. So Lucknow விட கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது லக்னோவையும் டெல்லியும் கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது 15 கிலோமீட்டர் ஸ்பீட் அதிகமாக யார் வரா? லக்னோ. ஓகேவா? ரைட். அண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் given. After 8 hours. After 8 hours. Okay. After 8 hours, the first train covered in 8 kilometer. So first train was which one? Delhi. Okay. So first train covered 8x kilometer per hour. And second train, that is the Lucknow train. Okay, covered x plus 15. Is it x plus 15? So multiple of 8 x plus 15 kilometer per hour. Okay, total distance, what we do, add these two values. Okay, total distance covered is equal to, add these two values, 8. So already given that statement, listen, 720 kilometer, the distance between ரெண்டு சிட்டி, அதாவது டெல்லியிலேருந்து கிளம்புற ட்ரெயினுக்கும் லக்னோலேருந்து கிளம்புற ட்ரெயினுக்கும் உள்ள டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து 720. ஓகே ஆமா, 720. அட் த சேம் டைம் இந்த 8 hours கழிச்சு எங்கேம்மா அந்த ட்ரெயின் ஆர் 100 கிலோமீட்டர் அப்பார்ட் ஃப்ரம் ஈச் அதர். ரெண்டுக்கும் இல்லை டிஸ்டன்ஸ் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா 100 அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. லிசன், 720. Okay, so total distance between, distance covered, distance between Delhi and Lucknow is equal to 720. So what is that? 8x plus 8 into x plus 15. Okay, and then so 100 meter apart from. Okay, so that also we have added. இப்போ கடைசியில் வந்து ஃபைனலில் நிற்கிறது 100 meter apart from. You will subtract from this value, or you will write here, after move to that side you will subtract. Okay, so 8x plus 8x, 15 8s are 120 plus 100 equal to 720. So add these two values, 16x equal to 220. So 720 minus 220, what we get? 500. So 16x equal to 500. So x equal to 500 by 16. Okay, let's simplify. What we get? 31.25 kilometer. Okay, so speed of the train that started from Lucknow is equal to x plus 15. So what is the x value here? 31.25 plus 15 kilometer per hour. So add these values, we get 646.25 kilometer per hour. Thus the answer is, therefore the speed of the train that started from the Lucknow is equal to 46.25 kilometer per hour. Okay, right. Exercise completed. Okay, now move to the worksheet problem. Worksheet 1 to 8 and 10th problems of homework. Okay, now do the 9th problem. Worksheet 1. Unit 6. Okay, worksheet 1 to 8 homework and 10 also homework. Okay, now see the 9th problem. 9th one, the ratio of the perimeter of the square A and the square B is 4:3. The side of the square B is 3 meter less than the ratio of the square A. What is the length of the side of the square? Okay, so let's perimeter, is it? The ratio of the perimeter. So let perimeter of a is equal to 4x. Okay, perimeter of a square is equal to a is equal to 4x. Okay, unit. And next one, perimeter of b is equal to, what is the condition? The ratio is 3 is given, so 3x units. Okay, right. And then the side of the square b is 3 less than the, so b is equal to, is 3 less than the square of a. So 3 less than, so a minus 3, so what is the b value? 3x. A value was 4x minus 3, so minus x equal to minus 3, so x equal to 3, right? Okay, now we have find out the square of a. So what is the value? A is equal to, so length of the side square a is equal to, what is the a value? 4x, so 4 into 3, so 12 is the answer, right? Okay, 10 on this homework, worksheet 2. Now 1 to 6 problems of homework. Okay, it's simply given the solved problems. Okay, now move to the 7th one. The sum of the digit of 2-digit number is 17 if the digits are reversed. Then the new number so formed is 9 more than the original number. Find the original number. The same model already do. Okay, 7th one, worksheet 2. Okay, now worksheet 2, 7th problem solution. Let the digit, same one, let the digit in units and tens places be x and y. The original number 10y plus x, and then original number 10y plus x, and reversed number is 10x plus y. So what is given? The given statement, the sum of the digit x plus y is equal to 17 is given. We have considered 1. Okay, and another one of the statement, if the digits are reversed, then the new number so formed, okay, so the original number, the more than the original number oda அதிகமாக இருக்குது. இது reverse number. So what is the reverse number? 10x plus y is equal to, reverse number is equal to more than the original number. So 10y plus x, more than means we have to add. Okay, simplify. 10x minus x is equal to 10y minus y plus 9. 10x minus x is equal to 10y minus y plus 9. So simplify. 9x is equal to 9y plus 9 divided by 9x equal to y plus 1. So x minus y equal to 1. Equation number 2. Now add 1 and 2. Okay. So from 1, x plus y equal to 17. Okay, x plus y equal to 17. These two values will be cancelled. This answer will be cancelled. 18 2x equal to, so x equal to x equal to 9. Okay, x equal to 9, and then x equal to 9, substitute the value x plus y equal to 17. So 9 plus y equal to 17, y equal to minus 9 equal to 8. So y value is 8. Thus the original number is 10. Y value was 8 plus 1's value was 9, so 89. Okay, right. And then 8, 9, 10 as homework. 11 to 1, Gia is 2 more than 4 times her daughter age. In 10 years her age will be 3 times her daughter's age. Find their present age. Find their present age. So present age after 10 years. Let the daughter's age, okay. Daughter age, daughter present age, and Gia age. So daughter age bx, okay, and present age of Gia we have considered y. After 10 years x plus 10, okay, x plus 10, and here also y plus 10, right. What is the condition? 4 times her daughter's age, so Gia age, so Gia we have considered y, so y is equal to 4 times, is it? More than 4 times her daughter's age. So 4 times, okay, 4 times her daughter age. So what is the daughter age here? Daughter age is x plus the daughter's age, x plus x plus 2, okay, more than the daughter's age, as we have considered 1, okay, right. Gia age according to the condition, more than her, 2 more than means we have add 2, and 4 times her daughter's age, and 10 years age will be 3 times of her daughter's age. So 3 times of her daughter's age means, according to the condition, Gia age is equal to 3 times of daughter's age. Okay, so Gia age we have considered y plus 10. Gia age y plus 10, okay, and 3 times of the Gia's daughter's age, so x plus 10, so y plus 10, 3x plus 10. Y value we have considered 4 times of x more than 2 plus 10 is equal to 3x plus 10. So 4x minus 3x equal to 10. Here 12. multiply each term. Here what we get? 30. Okay. 30 minus 12. So 18 here. X equal to 18. X equal to 18. So daughter's age is 18. Have find out the mother's age. Mother's age y is equal to 4x plus 2. So 4 into 18 plus 2. 18 4s are 72 plus 2 74. Thus Gia ages 74 years, and then Gia's daughter ages 18 years. 18 years. Okay. Right. And next one, 12th problem. A Vasu is 3 years younger than his sibling Arun. Anoda sibling oda எவ்வளோ யங்கராக இருக்காமா 3 years younger. அப்போ சின்ன பையன். ஓகேவா? Find 5 years ago. 5 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணணும். He was 6 less than twice Arun twice. He was 6 less than, subtracted 6. Okay, from the Arun's age. Okay, find their present age. Find their present age. 12th one. Present age. Okay, and then how many years ago? 5 years ago. 5 years ago. 5 years ago. So Vasu age bx. Okay, so 5 years ago means subtract. And next Vasu, and next Arun sibling. Is it? So Arun age we have considered y. Okay, y minus 5. So what is the given statement? The Vasu is less than the Arun's age. So y minus 3. According to the condition, okay, Vasu age is equal to twice the times of Arun's age. Arun's age less than 6. Less than 6 is given. So Vasu's age is x minus 5. Arun's age is 2 y minus 5 minus 6. Minus 6. Okay, right. So x minus 5 is equal to 2y minus 10 minus 6. 2y minus 16. Here x value substitute y minus 3 minus 5. So y minus 8 is equal to 2y minus 16. So y move to that side, we get y minus 16 come to this side plus 16. So we get 8. So y equal to 8. Y ingradhu yarma Arun. Okay, so Arun's present age is 8. Arun's present age is 8, and x is equal to 8 minus 3, 5 years. Okay, so x value is 5. Thus Vasu's present age is 8 years, and thus Vasu's present age, and then Arun's present age. Arun's present age is 5 years. Okay, right. So we have completed the 6th unit. Okay, worksheet problem also completed. We'll write the homework. exercise 6.3, sorry 6.2, 1 to 7, 8. Okay, and then worksheet 1, 1 to 8 and 10. And worksheet 2, worksheet 2, 1 to 6 and 8, 9, 10, 13. Okay, these are all the homework. So 6th unit completed. I hope you are all understood this concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask a doubt to me. Thank you, students.